War ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sorkar jela bapei ya katanat ke kot ke khia ba wailat miki shela ula pentip ba ke Sorkar klasim ya ka rairang ba ban Pynïaid hino ya ka Tura Medical College baik kala kenran di no naga jingtmu ba mensua kata ban Pynïaid ka Public Private Partnership lani kata ka baki ong ka PPP mode ulia tu ba ke Sorkar ka sem Jingeh ba ban Pynïaid hi namar ka jingtuna palat ki Doktor ki banlong kum ki nong hikai hakate ke jaka puli Doktor Tura bat kum juru ke Sorkar ke sem Jingeh ban yo Nongtrei ya mentau la ong ba ke Sorkar kelas dang ban tep kam ye ki Nongtrei bat ki jingtei ru kla jandep lut.
No, we are trying on it because, as you already know, actually because of the concern from the public last year, so they want that the Tura Medical College also will be a government medical college. So that's why we have started the recruitment and we have started the process. But it's depend on the, like I already mentioned in the past also, because the challenges with this faculty. The faculty, the doctors who are going to teach there. So that is the big challenge. So no doubt from our end we are giving, we are pushing for it. But that ultimately depend on the number of faculty we'll be getting because we already start the recruitment and it's available and it is almost like now in the completion stage. No. We are as of now we have decided to go on government medical college. As of now we have dropped the PPP.